I really enjoyed some of the instruments that we used here today. For example, the LBIC. I'm working on morphology, so there are a completely different set of techniques that you use to look at the morphology. But from what I saw here today, just by looking at how it's reacting to certain parameters, you can directly link that to the morphology even without having to look at the morphology. So I would love to use that and maybe take that to our lab.
I would definitely recommend this workshop because I suppose a lot of people don't really see what it takes to make a printed solar cell on a really scalable level that people can use it in their homes, in their buildings and so on. One of the best things I had like talking to Frederick about stuff that really make me understand how we can scale up from academia to industry.
Participating in this workshop has blessed me with new knowledge and new things. The things I was reading in literature from 3 to 4 years, this workshop has given me a chance to do the hand-on practice with all those things. I have fabricated organic solar cells for the first time in my life, so it was a really exciting experience for me.